Hi. This video we discussing the preliminary concept of coordinate geometry, and this chapter is important for class 8, 9 and 10. So see this video. So first we can discussing about Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane we can call the coordinate plane also. This type of plane is called Cartesian plane. We can draw the Cartesian plane this way. Two axes perpendicularly intersect. Two straight lines perpendicularly intersect. They are x o x dash and y o y dash. Perpendicularly means this when these two lines intersect this point. These two lines intersect at this point. Then it making a 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle making, that means this one is these two lines is perpendicularly bisect each other. And this point is called origin. In Cartesian plane, this intersecting point is called origin, and this one is denoted by O. See, this one O. So this one is denoted by O, and this axis is called this x o x dash and y o y dash. These two straight line is called the axis, coordinate axis or Cartesian axis. In here I writing x o x dash, Cartesian axis or coordinate axis. This one x o x dash. Next one is y o y dash. This is O. This is only O. Cartesian axis or coordinate axis. See, y o y dash. This one is the y o y dash is the Cartesian axis or coordinate axis. So one Cartesian plane has two axes. One is the x axis, shortly you can say the x axis, and another is the y axis. And there is every part in here, how many part? 1 2 3 4. This every quadrant, this one is called, this every part is called a quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. And when you can plotting any point on this plane, then the if the point x and y both value is positive, then you can plot in first quadrant. See, there I am drawing one figure. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. The fourth quadrant plus plus, that means x and y both value are positive. If x and y both value are negative, then we can plot third quadrant. If x is negative, y is positive, then second quadrant. If x is positive, y is negative, then fourth quadrant. We can plotting on fourth quadrant. And x value is positive, then we can plot in this side, ox side. And x value is negative, then you can plot ox dash side. Y value is positive, then you can plot oy side. Y value is negative, then you can plot oy dash side, down side. That means which one dash dash have this side, you can plot the x or y negative value. So see. Next, let's see how can we write a point there. So say, how can we write a point? We can write a point this way. First you can write the x value, plotting comma, after then I write the y value, and these two x and y value keep inside a small bracket. So then this one is then this one is called the point. So coordinate of a point, x comma y means what? This one is a coordinate of a point. Suppose I writing the sum point, example of the sum point, 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma minus 3 2 comma minus 3. So there, this first one is the x value and second one is the y value. Always first one is x, second one is y value. And this x value have one name. This is called the abscissa. When you can write coordinate of a point, this is called this way. When we can write a point, and this is called the coordinate of a point. So then their x is called abscissa or x coordinate, and y is called ordinate or y coordinate. So next, see how can you plotting the points on a Cartesian plane. So first this diagram I plot these 4 points on a Cartesian plane. So first I take a suitable scale. So I take the scale is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So our point is what 2 comma 3. first point is 2,3. So for 2 we can count the 2 centimeter, and for 3 also we can count the 3 centimeter. So for this one we can using the scale, and this with the scale you can measuring this one. So first I draw the Cartesian plane. This way I draw the Cartesian plane. After then this is O. O means origin. Origin coordinate, always the origin coordinate is 0, 0. The O coordinate is 0, 0. So from this one we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. Divide this way. This side is you can plot the negative value. So I write the -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. There also you can divide the 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are also dividing 1 centimeter, but this side is y value is negative. So writing -1, -2, -3, -4. This is 0. So from this is 0. From there to there 1 centimeter. From this one we can starting 1. There also this way. From this one starting 1, 1 starting. And your first point is what? 2, 3. So their x value is 2 and y value is 3. So with the scale, x value is 2. First we can count the x value. So first we can count x value. From this point we can count the 2 centimeter. One with the help of this scale we can using and counting the 2 centimeter. So after then y value is, see, y value is 3. So from these 2, first you can plot the 2. After then from these 2 you can plot the 3 centimeter. From the on the 2 you can draw measuring the 3 centimeter. After then plot this point. After that from these 2 they are joining, these 2 they are joining. Next point is -2, 3. So I counting -2. X value is -2. So counting this side -1, -2. After then y value is +3. So plus, so go up. This is -2. From on the -2 you can count in upside 3 centimeter. So this is -2, 3. And next point is -2, -3. This is -2 and this one is -3. X value is -2 and y value is -3. So on -2 we can plot the -3. How can downside we can count the 3 centimeter. This is -3, -2, 3. Next fourth point is +2, -3. So +2 x value is positive, so count this side, and y value is negative, -3. So from the -2 we can downside we can count the 3 centimeter. This is -3. After then you can this point is that 2, -3. After then you can join this one. So this way you can plotting the points on a Cartesian plane. So after then next video we discussing the distance formula between the 2 points. How can you find out the distance between 2 points? This one is discussing the next video. Thank you.